Ready to transform project chaos into streamlined success? Let's dive into capturing and managing requirements in Jira, the powerhouse platform that keeps your project dreams and details aligned. First, navigate within Jira to your project. Select the specific project you're working on from the dashboard. Click the plus sign, which is the Create button. It's usually found in the top navigation. This will open the Create Issue dialog. Now, in the Issue Type drop-down, choose Requirement or a similar issue type if you've customized your project. If not, you can create the requirement issue type at your leisure. In the Summary field, clearly define the requirement. This is crucial, so a concise and understandable title is a must-have for your requirement. Then, under Description, elaborate on the requirement. Detail the ins and outs to capture all of its necessary information. Assign a priority to the requirement. This helps the team identify what is most essential to focus on. Also, you can include things such as assignees, labels, and attachments. With your requirements saved, you can search for all existing requirements, view them, and filter them using different fields. You can use specific filters to find the specific requirements you need. And now, you have created your first issue. You can also link them to other issues, epics, and stories to ensure requirements are aligned with your project goals. By using these methods, your project will have a solid structure, your scope will be clearly defined, and your project will run with more execution. You're now on your way to project success.